Hey guys, in this video I will tell you about top 5 free Bible apps for Android. Alright, let's begin. Here are 5 of the best free Bible apps for Android in 2025, offering everything from deep study tools to audio versions and kid-friendly experiences. YouVersion, Bible app by Life Church, remains the most popular choice for a reason. It offers hundreds of translations in multiple languages, offline reading, audio Bibles, and daily devotionals. You can highlight, bookmark, and share verses easily. Its clean interface and community features make it perfect for both casual readers and dedicated believers. And Bible is an excellent open-source app with 0 ads and rich study tools. It includes commentaries, cross-references, dictionaries, and the ability to compare translations side by side. It's especially great for users who enjoy diving deeper into the meaning and context of Scripture, thanks to built-in support for Strong's Concordance and other resources. Bible app by Olive Tree focuses on Bible study and personalization. You can take notes, highlight text, and create reading plans. The split screen feature lets you read multiple Bible versions or commentaries at once, making it ideal for serious study and reflection. Bible app for kids is a fun and interactive way to introduce children to the Bible. It tells stories through colorful animations, sounds, and touch-based interactions. The app makes learning about Scripture enjoyable and engaging for young audiences, perfect for parents who want to make faith a part of family time. Bible is perfect for those who prefer listening. It offers dramatized audio Bibles in many languages, allowing you to hear stories with emotion and clarity. You can also download both text and audio for offline use, making it a great companion during commutes, workouts, or quiet reflection. And that's it. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.